Looking for the best smoothie blender for you? Whether you're into healthy shakes, quick breakfasts, or post-workout smoothies, I have lined up the perfect top 5 best smoothie blenders this year. Stick around to find your ideal blender. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Ninja Smoothie Blender for you. The Ninja Smoothie Blender is definitely worth checking out. The Ninja Smoothie Blender is a high-performance blender designed to make your smoothies, shakes, and blended recipes smooth, creamy, and delicious every time. Whether you're a health enthusiast, busy professional, or just someone who loves quick, nutritious drinks, this blender fits right into your lifestyle. The design is sleek and compact, making it easy to store without taking up too much counter space. It's built with durable materials and features a user-friendly interface that makes blending straightforward and hassle-free. Key features include a powerful motor and sharp blades that crush ice and frozen fruits with ease. It operates quietly compared to many blenders in its class, and cleanup is simple since most parts are dishwasher safe. You get smooth, consistent blends every time, perfect for breakfast smoothies, post-workout shakes, or even frozen cocktails. Its versatility means it's great for making sauces, soups, and more. Use cases range from busy mornings at home, meal prepping in the office kitchen, to outdoor picnics or travel, thanks to its compact size and ease of use. Pros include strong blending power, easy cleaning, and a compact footprint. One minor inconvenience might be that the container size isn't huge, so if you're making large batches, you may need to blend in multiple rounds. Personally, I think the Ninja Smoothie Blender combines power, convenience, and style to deliver great results for your everyday blending needs. See the description for more details. Number 2. Magic Bullet Smoothie Blender for you. The Magic Bullet Smoothie Blender might just be what you need. The Magic Bullet is a versatile personal blender designed to make smoothies, shakes, and even sauces quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy professional, or a student looking for quick and nutritious options, this blender is built to simplify your routine. When it comes to looks and usability, the Magic Bullet features a sleek, compact design that won't take up much counter space. Its lightweight build makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for home use, office kitchens, or even travel. Unlike larger blenders, it's quiet and easy to clean, making daily use hassle-free. In terms of performance, it offers solid power for blending fruits, veggies, and ice with ease. The cup doubles as a to-go bottle, so you can blend and take your drink with you. Though it's not meant for heavy-duty blending, it handles most everyday tasks smoothly. Use cases? It's perfect for making breakfast smoothies, protein shakes after workouts, quick sauces, or even baby food. Its compact size makes it ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, and on-the-go lifestyles. Easy to use, quick cleanup, compact size, and versatile for multiple tasks. The only downside is it's not designed for heavy or continuous blending, so large batches might require multiple rounds. Personally, I think the Magic Bullet Smoothie Blender is a reliable and convenient option for anyone looking to blend quick, healthy drinks without fuss. See the description for more details. Number 3. KOIOS Smoothie Blender for you. The KOIOS Smoothie Blender is definitely worth checking out. The KOIOS is a versatile, compact blender designed for anyone who wants smooth, delicious drinks without the hassle. Whether you're a health enthusiast, busy professional, or someone who loves quick meal prep, this blender fits right into your routine. It sports a sleek, modern design that looks great on any kitchen counter. Its compact size makes it easy to store, perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even taking on the go. The build quality feels solid, with durable blades and a BPA-free pitcher that's easy to clean. Performance-wise, the KOIOS blender is powered by a strong motor that handles everything from soft fruits to ice cubes with ease. The blending is smooth and quiet, so you won't have to worry about loud noise disrupting your morning. It's user-friendly too, just one-touch controls make it simple to operate. This blender is perfect for making smoothies at home, preparing shakes at the gym, or even crafting healthy snacks while traveling. It's a great fit for busy lifestyles that don't want to compromise on nutrition or taste. Pros include its strong blending power, compact design, and quiet operation. One small downside is that the blending pitcher is a bit smaller than some others, so you might need to blend in batches for larger servings. Personally, I think the KOIOS smoothie blender delivers convenience, power, and style in one package. If you want a blender that makes healthy living easier and tastier, this one's a solid pick. See the description for more details. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Smoothie Blender for you. The Hamilton Beach Smoothie Blender is definitely worth checking out. It's a versatile kitchen appliance designed to blend fruits, veggies, and ice into smooth, creamy drinks quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a health enthusiast, busy professional, or just someone who loves fresh smoothies, this blender fits perfectly into your routine. The Hamilton Beach Blender sports a compact design that fits easily on any countertop. It's built with sturdy materials that feel durable, and the user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. When it comes to performance, this blender packs enough power to crush ice and blend ingredients evenly. It runs smoothly and quietly, so you won't be bothered by loud noises early in the morning. Its easy-to-clean design and dishwasher-safe parts add to its convenience, making it great for daily use at home, in the office, or even when traveling. From quick breakfast smoothies to protein shakes after workouts or refreshing summer drinks, this blender adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Pros include its solid build quality, easy operation, and consistent blending performance. One minor drawback might be the blending jar size. It's ideal for single servings but may require multiple batches for larger groups. Personally, I think the Hamilton Beach Smoothie Blender delivers a great balance of power, convenience, and style. If you want a dependable blender that makes tasty smoothies without any hassle, this one's a smart choice. See the description for more details. Number 5. Oster Smoothie Blender for you. The Oster Smoothie Blender is a great choice. The Oster Smoothie Blender is a kitchen essential designed to blend fruits, veggies, and ice into smooth, delicious drinks quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a health enthusiast, busy professional, or a parent making nutritious snacks, this blender is perfect for anyone wanting an easy and efficient way to prepare smoothies, shakes, or even soups. In terms of design, the Oster blender features a compact, sleek body that fits nicely on any countertop. It's built with durable materials, ensuring long-lasting use. The jar is sturdy and easy to clean, and the control panel is simple and user-friendly, making it accessible for all skill levels. When it comes to performance, this blender packs a powerful motor that effortlessly crushes ice and blends ingredients evenly for a smooth texture every time. It operates quietly compared to many other blenders, which makes it perfect for early mornings or late-night smoothie cravings. The Oster Smoothie Blender's versatility shines through with multiple speed settings and pulse functions, allowing you to customize your blend exactly how you like it. Plus, it's lightweight and portable enough to take with you on the go or store away without hassle. It's perfect for home kitchens, office snack prep, or even for quick meal options while traveling. Pros include its powerful motor, easy cleanup, quiet operation, and compact design. The only slight downside might be that it doesn't have built-in battery power, so it's best suited for use near a power outlet. Personally, I think the Oster Smoothie Blender offers a smooth blend of power, usability, and convenience that makes healthy living easier. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.